When Python encounters a function header, it records the function name, parameters, and the location in the function map. For example, let's consider this program. At time 0, the current line is 1, current tab is 0, and the function map is empty. The statement at line 1 tab 0 is def add 3x. This is a function header. Python is going to create an entry in the function map. The entry key is the function name, and the value is the pair parameters and line number. Parameters is a stack that contains the function parameters. Line number is the location of the function header. At time 1, the current line is 2 and the current tab is 0. Later, when the add3 function is called, LWPython searches the function map for the entry with the key add3. Python uses the entry value to construct function input and jump to the function body. After recording the function header, Python increases line by 1 but keeps tab at 0. Since the function body is in tab 1, Python skips the function body. In general, if the Python state at time t is as follows, where line is I, tab is j, and the function map is fm, and the statement at line I and tab j is the function definition where the name is func_name and parameters is params, then at time t plus 1, the Python state is as follows. Line is I plus 1, the tab is still j, and the function map is the result of storing the pair params I at key func_name in the map fm. Python doesn't need to store the tab number of the function header since it is always 0. LWPython does not allow inner functions.